All right, everyone. So I paid a robot $10,000 for this. So one day in quarter four of 2022, I had a dream that I had a robot that was an assistant. And then this robot assistant one day started attacking me. So a little boy around the age of 6 years old started hitting the robot to try and save me. The robot grabbed the boy's leg, and I felt as if he was going to attempt to break his leg. So I put my arms out and I said, "No, I'll give you $10,000 to stop." Now, I didn't know that the robot cared about money, but apparently this plea worked because he stopped grabbing the boy's leg and he let him go. What does this symbolic dream mean? It means that God is, or angels of God, is trying to tell me that robots in the future can be dangerous and aggressive. Angels are fifth, sixth, and seventh density beings of positive polarity. That's where I'm hearing from.